Either guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video, I'm going to guide you how you can easily turn off vertical sync in Battlefield 2042. So what you want to do is go to options, and when you're going to be in options, you want to, next to the general, click on a display. And when you're going to click on a display, you want to scroll down below, and you're going to see right here vertical sync. And you want to click off. And this is pretty much it how we can do it. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And this is how you can turn off or turn on your vertical synchronization in Battlefield 2042. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you can definitely like it and write it down below in comments that it helped you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.